is entitled Motivating Students to Complete Online Courses. And the paper includes a lot of interesting information, including the results of a survey. The survey was sent out to a few thousand participants, many of whom actually did fill out the survey and give me a lot of great results. And you might be interested in that if you're interested in MOOCs. In addition, the paper includes future work, things that we're thinking about doing to the for research and for the paper in the future. So check that out; it's a lot of fun. But today, the main focus is going to be on MOOCminder itself. So this is the web app that's available at moocminder.com, and I'm going to take you through some of the features of the application. Uh, First, beginning with how you would create a new account. So as a new user, I can create a new account, and all I need to do is fill in these simple forms and I will have a new account. I'm not actually going to go through those steps today, but if you did, you would receive an email from the website asking you to confirm your email, and after doing so, you'll have an account and you'll be able to join in on the fun. So I'm going to log in. I already exist here as a user. So as a new user, you're presented with the two main functions of the website, which is the Chrome extension and the course list. I can follow the Chrome extension first and go ahead and say Tools. If I click this, it will prompt me to install the Chrome extension. There are not a lot of positive feedback, but I'm pretty confident this is a safe extension and you should install it. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to continue to do that. So the next thing I'm going to do is just talk to you a little bit about the courses. So I'm already registered for a couple of courses, but I can easily add another. And this is a simple type ahead that allows me to find new courses. So let's say that I was interested in iOS development. I can find some courses and then add the course. After I add the course, it gives me some details, allows me to go to the website to sign up for it, and then asks me to set my goal for how many hours I want to work on it. So I'm going to go into one of the courses that I already have signed up for. And you get some more details about the course, who the instructors are, recent activity in the course, etc. I'm also able to set my goal for the course, which is the fundamental way that this website tries to help you, is by setting a goal for how many days a week you want to work on the website or work on your course rather, and then it tracks that for you automatically through that Chrome extension that we just walked through the installation of. And then it gives you helpful feedback as to how you're doing with your goal and helps you try to manage it. Um, Once you've gone through the whole process, you're going to be able to see your progress and track your course. So that's the major functionality. I wanted to briefly go through the fact that there is an API for this project as well. This is a public API, anybody's able to use it. It requires that you're logged into the site in order for it to work. So this is the documentation for it, and it allows you to see things like the website is up and running. But the more interesting functionality that most people are going to be interested in is the course related. And these are the same endpoints that the Chrome extension uses in order to talk to the website. So you can get the course information that MOOCminder knows about. You can get all courses or details about any one course. You can add yourself as a user to the course. You can enroll in the course. In addition, you can see all of your enrollments. You can also see your course record, which is sort of a report card, which shows how you're doing versus your goal. And then the tick is what the course extension does while it's watching you move through the extension. Every now and again it ticks and it sends some data on your behalf to the website so that it knows what you're working on. So it'll send a bunch of information over to the site and allow the site to track what you're doing. Finally, there's this new thing, this links. So the links is a new piece of the website that allows you to add links, and I'm going to go through that functionality now. So here we are back in MOOCminder, and here I have some links. So I can go ahead and click Add Link, and it'll ask me for the link destination. I'm going to put one in here, and then the title is what the users see. And then I'm going to click Create Link. So it gives me feedback at the top that I've created the link, but the link doesn't actually show. The reason for that is because the links must be approved. So this is the administration panel. So if I go to course links, I'll see that I have some links here and I can edit it. This one's status is new. Once I mark it approved, click Save. I can then go back to the site, go back to the courses, select the course that I was working in before. And now you will see the link. And these links are shared between all users. Unfortunately, right now, it requires the administrator to approve the link. But the future, which again is mentioned in the paper, is possibly adding some form of crowdsourcing to this so that users who are using the site can rate the links that users are adding, and then basically that would be the method for being approved. Once enough people positively rate it, it'll be approved and other users will be able to see it. So that's a quick tour of the MOOCminder.com. I hope you like what you see, and I hope you join on board and start tracking your MOOCs, and I hope that it helps you in your completion of the MOOCs. So thank you. Have a great day.